I tell you that you can practice English without a teacher, without a book, and without feeling shy. You only need your ears, your voice, and 5 minutes a day. Today, we are talking about a simple but powerful way to learn English. It is called shadowing.
Yes, shadowing is a great technique for English learners. It can help you listen better. It can help you speak more clearly. And it can help you feel more confident when you speak English.
Hi everyone. Welcome back to Easy Daily English. I am Anna. And today I am here with my friend Ben. We will talk about shadowing in very easy English.
Hi everyone, I am Ben. Today's topic is very useful. If you want to improve your pronunciation, listening, and speaking, this episode is for you. Please listen carefully, and you can repeat after us too.
Ben, let's start with a simple question. What is shadowing? Many English learners hear this word, but maybe they do not know what it means.
Good question, Anna. Shadowing means you listen to English and repeat it. You copy the speaker's words, sound, and rhythm. It is like being a shadow of the speaker. The speaker talks, and you follow the speaker.
So, it is not only repeating the words, it is also copying the sound. It is copying the music of English. That is very interesting.
Yes, exactly. For example, I say, "Good morning. How are you today?" You listen first. Then you repeat, "Good morning. How are you today?" You try to sound like me.
Let me try. Good morning. How are you today? I listen to your voice. Then I repeat your sentence. And I try to copy your sound.
That was great, Anna. Now, beginners can do this with short sentences. Do not start with long and difficult sentences. Start small. Small practice every day is very helpful.
That is very important. Many learners want to speak fast. They want to learn many things in one day. But sometimes small steps are better. 5 minutes every day can make a big difference.
Yes, 5 to 10 minutes a day is enough for beginners. You can use one short audio. You can listen again and again. Then you repeat again and again. This is how your mouth learns English.
I like that. Your mouth learns English. Because sometimes we understand English in our head. But when we want to speak, our mouth is not ready. Shadowing helps the mouth get ready.
Yes, that is true. Shadowing helps your ears and your mouth work together. Your ears hear the sentence. Your mouth repeats the sentence. Little by little, speaking becomes easier.
Let's give our listeners a very simple example. I will say a sentence. Then Ben will explain how to shadow it. The sentence is, I want a cup of coffee.
Great sentence. First, listen. I want a cup of coffee. Do not speak yet. Just listen to the sound. Listen to the rhythm. I want a cup of coffee.
Then the second step is repeat after the speaker. You hear the sentence. Then you say it. I want a cup of coffee. I want a cup of coffee.
Very good. The third step is copy the sound and rhythm. Do not say every word like a robot. Try to copy the natural voice. I want a cup of coffee.
So I should not say, I want a cup of coffee. That sounds slow and not natural. I should say, I want a cup of coffee. It sounds smoother.
Exactly. The fourth step is speaking at the same time. This is more difficult. You play the audio. The speaker talks, and you talk at the same time.
This is real shadowing. You follow the speaker like a shadow. You do not wait until the sentence ends. You speak with the speaker. It can feel strange at first, but it is very useful.
Yes, and please do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are normal. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to practice. Practice is more important than perfect English.
That is a good message. Many beginners are afraid. They think, my pronunciation is bad. They think, I make many mistakes. But mistakes are part of learning.
Yes, when you do shadowing, you are alone. No one is judging you. You can repeat the same sentence many times. You can speak loudly or softly. You can practice in your room, in the kitchen, or while walking.
That makes shadowing easy for daily life. You do not need a big plan. You can choose one short video or one short podcast. You can practice for 5 minutes, and you can do it every day.
Let's talk about why shadowing helps. First, it helps listening. When you listen many times, your ears get stronger. You start to hear words better. You start to understand natural English better.
Second, it helps pronunciation. You hear the speaker's sound. Then you copy the sound. You practice the same words many times. Your pronunciation slowly gets better.
Third, it helps speaking. Many learners know words, but they do not speak easily. Shadowing gives your mouth practice. It helps you speak faster and more naturally. It also helps you remember useful sentences.
Fourth, it helps rhythm. English has rhythm. Some words are strong. Some words are soft. When you shadow, you copy the rhythm of English.
And fifth, it helps confidence. When you practice every day, you feel better. You think, I can speak English. You feel less shy. You become more comfortable with your voice.
I love that. Confidence is very important. Sometimes learners wait until they are perfect, but you do not need to wait. You can start speaking today.
Yes, start today with one easy sentence. For example, I am happy to see you. Listen first. Repeat after me. I am happy to see you.
I am happy to see you. That is a good sentence. It is short and useful. Listeners, you can repeat too. I am happy to see you.
Good. Now try another sentence. What do you want to eat? Listen first. What do you want to eat? Now repeat it slowly.
What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? I can hear the rhythm. It sounds natural when I say it together. What do you want to eat?
Great. Now one more example. I go to work by bus. Listen first. I go to work by bus. Now repeat and copy the sound.
I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. This sentence is good for beginners. It is about daily life. Daily life sentences are great for shadowing.
Yes, beginners should use easy daily sentences. Use sentences about your morning. Use sentences about food. Use sentences about work, shopping, family, and friends. These sentences are useful in real life.
For example, good morning. How are you today? I am fine, thank you. How about you? I am good, thank you. This is a great mini conversation.
Your challenge for today is simple. Try shadowing for 5 minutes today. Choose one short sentence. Listen, repeat, copy, and speak. If this episode helped you, subscribe for more easy English practice, and tell us in the comments whether you want to try shadowing today.